Zip up the sauna blanket. Place a disposable towel on it. The user should lie down on the blanket, wearing disposable underwear. Zip up the sauna blanket. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 30 minutes. Recommended temperature, 60. Turn off the blanket when the time is up. Zip off the sauna blanket. Dry the client thoroughly to ensure they stop sweating before leaving the salon. Always check if the blanket temperature is comfortable for the user. Provide a cup of warm water before and during the treatment. Avoid showering for 4 to 6 hours post-treatment. Do not consume cold or raw food.